So these are the two main forms of linear equations that we are going to use in this unit. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, and this is the best when you have a slope and an intercept. So the slope is the m and the intercept is the b, and that's the best time to use slope-intercept form. Point-slope form is just that. It's got a point and it's got a slope, and in this one the point is our x1 comma y1. And so the part that you have to be careful with is that it's minus y1. So if this was like -4, -5 as the point, it would end up being y plus 5 because it's minus a negative. And then whatever the slope was, and it would be x plus 4. So basically whatever's in here, it's the opposite that makes the point. So this one is in slope-intercept form. So what I'm going to do is I am going to get the slope, which is right out in front of that x, which is 1/2. And remember, this is my rise over my run. So I'm going to use that in just a minute. And then the other piece is my intercept. So my intercept is equal to a -1. And so what the intercept means is that that's where it's going to cross the y-axis. So that's the point right there, -1, that I'm graphing. So now my slope is rise over run. So up 1 to the right 2. Up 1 to the right 2. Or I could go down 1 to the left 2. Down 1 to the left 2. Both of them would work out. And either way, I'm going to end up with a line that looks like this. This one's in point-slope form. So if I've got it in point-slope, I need to look for my point. So my point I'm going to do in red, and that's going to use the +4 here and the -2 there. And then my slope, which I'm going to do in blue. So my slope is that piece that's out in front, which is -2/3, which remember is still my rise over my run. Now my point, remember it's x1, y1, but the formula says that it's y minus y1, which is equal to m times x minus x1. So I have to do the opposite. So if it's a +4 here, I have to do a -4 as my point. And if it's a -2 there, I have to do a +2 for my y. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to graph that. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 2. So that's my starting point is way over there. And then now they're going to say that my slope is down 2 to the right 3. And so then my graph, all I need is 1 just to do it, is going to look like this.